Now the next is determination of coefficient of permeability. कैसे हम determine कर सकते हैं coefficient of permeability in the lab. So coefficient of permeability can be defined by the following methods. First one is laboratory method, and second one is field method, and the third one is indirect methods. So we will learn about the laboratory methods. तो laboratory methods में होता है, first one is constant head permeability method, and second is the falling head permeability test. Okay, so constant पहले हमारा आएगा, इसमें permeability को can be determined in the laboratory by direct measurement with the help of permeameters by allowing the water to flow through soil sample either under constant head or under variable head. Permeability can also be determined directly by field test, so कहते हैं well hydraulics, or indirect method of computing of permeability from consolidation test data. So इस तरह से भी किया जा सकता है. So we are interested in laboratory method. ये सब empirical formulas हैं जिनसे आप permeability निकाल सकते हैं given by different formulas by the scientist.